Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're into earning rewards through your daily steps with Sweatcoin, you know how exciting it is to see those coins add up. But what if you want to move them to your Sweat wallet for better management and security? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat wallet in 2025. It's easier than you think, and by the end, you'll be all set to handle your digital assets like a pro. First off, make sure you have the latest version of the Sweatcoin app installed on your phone. App updates often include important security fixes, especially for transactions in 2025. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your account credentials. If you haven't set up two-factor authentication yet, I highly recommend doing so right now. It's a game changer for safety. Now, let's get to the main steps. Head over to the dashboard or wallet section in the app. It's usually front and center. Look for the transfer or send to wallet option. It might be under a menu icon. Tap on that, and you'll see a screen to enter the amount of Sweatcoin you want to transfer. Be precise here. Double-check the number to avoid any slip-ups. Next, select your Sweat wallet as the destination. The app should detect it automatically if they're linked, but if not, you might need to connect them first. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll probably need to verify this with a PIN, fingerprint, or even a quick email code for extra security. After that, switch over to your Sweat wallet app and refresh your balance. Your transferred Sweatcoin should show up almost instantly. If it doesn't, give it a minute and check for any notifications. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet in 2025. This process keeps your earnings secure and accessible. Remember, always keep an eye on your app settings and stay updated with the latest features. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and keep moving to earn those coins.